AutoSAR. AutoSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Basic principles. Example: I break force current. Now we take a look at the second example, which is the port interface I break force current. We first take a look again at the respective extract from the RTOP AutoSAR Explorer. We see this time it is not a sender-receiver interface but a client-server interface. We will talk about the different kinds of port interfaces at a later point. This time the interface contains an operation, data and an error. As this interface has more elements, the description will be larger. So we will take a look at the ARXML file on the next slide. This is an example what the description of the port interface I break force current could look like. You can see it is quite a lot of text, so we will split it up. First, we will look at the white part. Then we will look at the first yellow part, and lastly, we will look at the second yellow part. Click on the 3 gray buttons to get information about each part. We recommend starting with the white part. Here we see the white part. In the first row we see the version and the encoding. The second row tells us that this is an AutoSAR element. Then we get to know the type of port interface, which in this case is a client-server interface. The name of this interface is I break force current. And, like the other one, the associated port does not provide or require AutoSAR standardized services. Then an operation and a possible error are defined, which we will both see in the yellow parts. Click on the gray buttons to get to those parts. We recommend taking a look at the first yellow part first. Then you have the option to navigate to the second yellow part. Here we see the first yellow part, that defines an operation. This operation is a client-server operation. With the name CSO set break force current. This operation contains one argument, which is an argument data prototype. It has the name ADP break force current. This argument is an input argument. After the argument is defined, you find a reference to a possible error. The purple path tells you where the error is defined. This path leads us to the second yellow part. Click on the gray button to get there. Here we see the second yellow part, which defines a possible error. This error has the name error knock, and the error code 0. Now you've seen all parts and can go to the overview. Here you see the description of the port interface I break force current. You also see the extract of the RTOP AutoSAR Explorer once again. If you want to learn more about AutoSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.